Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. If you hold XRP, you seriously want to pay attention to this video because I'm going to show you some charts that may blow your mind with XRP. If it's sounding interesting to you, please drop that like, give me a subscribe if you're new watching. I want to be quick on this, give you some update analysis on a few coins. Let's dive into this, but before I do so, I need to let you know I am not a financial advisor. These are my own personal opinions on this market. Please do your further research before you invest your money. We are looking at XRP on the monthly time frame. Why? Because when you zoom out on the time scale, you can get a good, clean picture of what's happening and what is about to come. Maybe. Now take a look at this. If you look right back from 2017, you can see here the date down below here marked February 2017. XRP had a fall down in its stochastic RSI and it came down to this levels here. Now I'm aware there's been other times where it's fallen down, but I'm focusing on this one here. Why? Because we're in a pivotal moment right now for this crypto space, and I believe that we may see a huge pump, a huge rally in the altcoins. And if you take a look at the what's been going on in the stocks, you're seeing different types of things like oil pump up in price and things like that. You're seeing the US dollar pump up in price, like really overextended, overbought, right? Which makes me think if the US dollar comes down and collapses, we may see altcoins and Bitcoin pump. Pay attention to this, because when this happened back here, February 2017, and then the stochastic RSI had a huge reversal, came back up here, you can see that we saw a massive rally in the price of XRP from this moment here all the way until, how many months was this? Oh, so this, because again, we're looking on a monthly time frame, so you're looking a whole year's worth of rally. So the reason I'm putting this to your attention is because this could happen again. And if you look at where we are here with the stochastic RSI, it looks eerily similar. What do we want to see happen in the stochastic RSI for XRP? Let me just zoom this in and make it clear. We want to see this blue line come up, because once we see that, let me just see if I can grab my paintbrush. We want to see this blue line shift up like this. Well, not like that. It's a bit... It looks like a funny looking wave. You want to see it come up, and then you want to see the red line come underneath it. If we see that, and let me change this color. If we see that, you know, we may see a huge reversal in XRP's price. That was really weird. I wonder why it did that. It doesn't usually do that for me. Usually it just, you know, it just goes like straight up. Oh, no, I'm going to try and draw it again. I want to see if it does it this time. Oh, it's not too bad. It must have just been me and my shaky hand. But yeah, it does look like we're facing something really similar as to what happened back here in 2017. And this is why I like to look at the big picture, because if that's to happen, and you know, XRP had a legendary run up. Let's just take it from here to here, just this part right here. And I'm going based off of, you know, we saw a rise to the stochastic RSI coming up into this oversold territory area here. It went up 5,000%. My God. And the reason I say that is because what if it's, what if we see something like this again? What if we only saw 10% of that? Because 5,000%, 10% of that is 500%. What if you saw a 500% increase? You know, that puts XRP at a £4 price. You know, I'm just saying, you know, we may see something like this happen. 5,000 is just right up here. I mean, you're talking a $40 price in the future. You know, it could happen. So just pay attention to this monthly time frame. It's powerful. It shows you good insight. Let's just take a look at what's happening over here on the daily time frame. So, you know, Bitcoin, I've got my EMA ribbons up for I said Bitcoin, for XRP. EMA ribbons for XRP. And you can see here that XRP is just underneath these ribbons. We haven't seen a tangle, which is good. I mean, this one looked close to tangling up, which means whenever you see tangle in the ribbons, usually it represents trend reversal. And that's what I'm waiting for with XRP. So if you see here, when the ribbons tangled here, the yellow came underneath, and you could see downside action with the price. And you see, look, it took a long time for XRP to bounce back above. I love showing this because it's powerful. XRP broke above, it's come back down. I'm hoping that XRP can break back above. If it breaks this area here, where are we looking? What kind of prices are we going to see for XRP? Well, if we switch it to the weekly time frame, we might get a good clean picture as to how high it can come. And to be honest, it's already showing some resistance levels here, but if it can break it, I'm talking the 82 cents. I want to see XRP come up to this 82 cents and break it, because if we do that, we could see some crazy highs for XRP. So keep your eye on the 82 cents. That's resistance right there, anywhere around there. It needs to come up and break it. I want to quickly show you this on the weekly time frame because it's really interesting. You know, XRP has never been on a bearish trend, and I know it sounds crazy, right? On the monthly time frame, right back since 2017. And the reason I say this is because these ribbons, they tell you when you're in a different trend. Now take a look at this. Like I said, when you see a tangle in the ribbons, that usually represents a trend reversal. So when we saw this break back in February 2017, it went crazy pumping high. It went right up to $3.36. That's what it says here. I'm supposing it changes with every chart. Take a look. We never saw a tangle in the ribbons to indicate that it's going downwards again, that it's a trend reversal. The ribbons remained the same. And, you know, you can see here cleanly that, you know, we did see some price action below the ribbons, but the ribbons never tangled. You saw a bounce back up in XRP's price, and it's been bullish on the monthly time frame. And I think it will remain bullish. I think, you know, at the worst comes to worst, and it sounds crazy, I know, if we are to see XRP's price fall down in price, maybe coming down to like the 49 cent mark, 50 cent mark, maybe its lowest. It might, you know, might hold incredible support there and bounce off it, but it looks bullish. Why? Because it's still bouncing up in this yellow area here, which is a strong signal that, you know, you're seeing good buy pressure and holding support. So let's see what can happen in the long time frame. I like looking at the long perspective of this thing because, maybe not a lot of people are watching it on the long perspective. They're probably doing these short day-to-day trades and not paying attention to the long perspective. And I really want you to, especially if you hold a lot of XRP, because there's a serious trend that can happen here. And when I take a good clean look at this one here, it shows me that we could see something similar that may happen like what happened before with the stochastic RSI. Let me close this RSI with this one here and the price, because it looks like it's going to do something that it did before. And as you can see, it's holding support of this 21 moving average. This is the yellow line. It's holding support there. So let's see if it can continue to hold support, bounce off it like it looks like it's already done, and see what happens. And remember, this is monthly candles, so we're seeing 1 month's worth of action with XRP in each candle. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it here, short, sweet, and quick, simple. If you liked this, please drop that like, give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Do you want to see more analysis on XRP and all these other coins? If you do, drop some comments down below, drop a like, let me know what comments. Let me know what coins you want me to do analysis on. I will be happy to do it. I'm going to be bringing a VeChain one straight after this, so, you know, we can like really take a good look at these coins and see what's happening, okay? If you want to become a patron, I've got 7 tiers. Take your pick, because they don't miss anything. They're going to see exactly when I sell. I've got a powerful chart. You don't want to miss that powerful chart. Make sure you check it out. It's, let me find it. This one here, the most powerful altcoin chart in history. Make sure you watch this video if you're new watching. This is going to blow your mind, okay? And you're going to want to have that indicator. I'll show you how to set it up and everything. So thank you for watching. I was going to say I look forward to seeing you in my next video, but become patron, 7 tiers. Go for this one here, real quick before I go. This one here, my exclusive VIP partner tier. Why? It gives you all my posts. You can see when I buy, when I sell, when I stake. All of that stuff, you see it right in there. You'll see when I sell, and I'm holding tight. If you want that little bit more, I've got a CEO tier, which is the next tier above. It gives you my super alerts, where you get access to my VIP Telegram group. I will talk to you way before I do anything. And you've got high crypto profile users in this space, big money, talking about big things. We have 24-hour voice chats enabled, so if people want to chat, they can do that. Thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers.